All right, one of the most challenging things that you're going to find while doing this is cleaning a window in direct sunlight. Now, if you're using a water-fed pole, this isn't too much of an issue because you've got water constantly running. But if you are not quick enough, your soapy solution will dry on the window, and then it'll just be dirty, and your squeegee will not scrape it off. It'll just smear it, and it'll look terrible. So you want to make sure that you have plenty of water on your mop. You just want to make sure it's really soapy and wet, and you just want to work as quickly as you can to get that clean. Now, if the window is a bit larger and you just can't do it quick enough, like let's say it was 4 times this big and you just can't do it quick enough, what you can do is you can do sections of the window. So let's say you're doing straight pulls on the window. You can do one section like that, take your squeegee, quickly do a straight pull, and then I still have a line where I stopped. I can take this and I can overlap it, and then I can straight pull the rest of it. Now, if this is a window 4 times this size, of course, you know, it's going to take probably more times than that. Or again, you can do like, you could do the upper half of the window. And then finish off the lower half of the window. Like that. And that ought to afford you enough time that your solution won't dry on the window. If your solution does dry on the window, just scrub and clean that area again. Should come up relatively easy. Hey, thanks for watching. You know, this video is actually part of a free online course that I've made on how to professionally clean windows. If you want to sign up for the course, you can go to the link in the description where you'll find the rest of the course, some other supporting materials, and a community of other people that are learning how to clean windows as well. So, thanks again, and we'll see you in there.